Hello everyone. So this is a cooking special today with, of course, me, Chi. And today we are making, as you've seen by the title, chicken fajitas. So here you are looking at cut up chicken that I sliced up, and I seasoned it with a little Old Bay seasoning, adobo seasoning, salt and pepper, a little curry powder, and chicken seasoning. So right now I'm just going to mix it all up so it can be seasoned well. So yeah. Now as you can see, we have the chicken that has been seasoned, sizzling and sauteing in a little bit of oil that I brought to a frying pan, as well as a little bit of marinara sauce. So we want to saute this until the chicken looks tender and is no longer looking, of course, raw. So we're just gonna let this fry a little bit, and you'll see the final product after it is complete. All right, guys, as you can see, I have added, some green peppers and my favorite onions to the chicken, and as you can see, it is coming out very well. You want to let this cook until the vegetables have cooked down a little and have come not too soft looking, but not too crunchy looking. But yeah, so we're gonna let this sit and marinate and cook for at least 10 more minutes, because the chicken is practically done. We just want the onions and the green peppers, of course, to cook in and settle with the chicken. As well as I brought some black beans. These are canned black beans. These aren't like the bad black beans, but these are canned black beans that I brought to a boil, as well as my favorite yellow Spanish rice. So yeah, we will come back to see what's up next. Alright guys, as you can see, this is the final product of what I made. I added cheese to it. I'm going to add some sour cream to it. You can do as you like. This is how I like my fajitas. Some people like tomatoes or all other things, but this is what I like. Hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, everything. I appreciate it.